Hello, I'm William, and I was born in Austria. I grew up in a bilingual environment with Hakka Chinese being my mother tongue and German being taught in school. So, in order to do well in school, I had to properly learn the German language, which was quite challenging, but as well as very rewarding now looking back. And I was very hardworking and managed to be almost always on top of my classes throughout high school and university. So I've been living in Taiwan for almost a year now, and I've been teaching German classes in the evening for adults twice a week. And besides that, I have almost around five private tutors with between teenage age to young adults. And when I started teaching, I used a Chinese course book, but I found that it didn't have enough exercises for them to absorb and learn and practice the language. So since then, I've been making my own classes with a German course book and additional online resources. I'm very patient. As you can see, I try to be calm, and I think I can explain things very clearly. And I have a master's degree in engineering, and I've worked as an engineer for 5 years. So I would say I'm quite structured, organized, and disciplined, which are, in my opinion, very important if you want to learn or teach a new language. Yeah, regarding lessons, we can customize. I would be able to customize the lessons to your needs and interests, but we can also go through basic stuff that I have prepared. And my teaching style would be, yeah, I think it's quite casual and informal, but I like to cover different aspects to keep you interested and practicing as well. For example, pronunciation, new vocabulary, understanding of grammar structures, and how to build sentences properly. And yeah, besides speaking, I would encourage you to also read, write, and have maybe some listening comprehension exercises. So if you think we can get along, please consider booking a lesson with me so we can get to know each other. Thank you.